Borg Robotics just made a massive splash with their latest announcement, unveiling the full details of their AI robot lineup. And for the first time, we've got a clean, detailed look at Borg 01, their game-changing humanoid robot designed specifically for industrial automation. Alfie here. Today, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Borg Robotics' ambitious plans, the features of Borg 01, and what this means for the future of robotics. There's a lot to unpack, so let's jump right in. Meet Borg 01. First things first, let's talk about Borg 01, the star of the show. This isn't just any humanoid robot. Borg Robotics has designed it to handle some of the most repetitive, grueling tasks in industrial and manufacturing environments. What's unique about it? It all starts with its modular design. Borg 01 can switch seamlessly between a bipedal humanoid form and a wheeled base. And here's the kicker, it does this autonomously at its station. Most industrial settings, like warehouses and factories, are optimized for wheeled movement. With its wheels engaged, Borg 01 can navigate these environments with incredible efficiency. But when a task calls for more dexterity or requires traversing uneven surfaces, it switches to walking on two legs. This adaptability isn't just a gimmick, it's a solution to real-world challenges. Many industrial robots are limited to one type of movement, but Borg 01 can do both, making it versatile for a wide range of tasks. Key features of Borg 01. Let's dive into the specific features that make Borg 01 a standout in the world of industrial robots. Autonomous mobility switching. Whether it's moving on wheels or walking on two legs, Borg 01 can switch modes autonomously without any human intervention. This means it can handle both flat surfaces and complex terrains with ease. The wheeled version of Borg 01 can run for up to 6 hours on a single charge, while its bipedal mode is optimized for shorter, task-specific bursts. Battery swaps are lightning fast, taking just seconds, so there's minimal downtime. End effector variety? Borg 01 supports a range of tools, from vacuum grippers to 5-fingered humanoid hands. These can be swapped autonomously within seconds, allowing the robot to adapt to different tasks on the fly. The end effectors are capable of handling loads of up to 12 kilograms, making Borg 01 perfect for tasks like lifting boxes, welding, grinding, and more. Borg 01 is designed to integrate seamlessly into existing workflows without requiring major changes to factory layouts. Why did Borg Robotics create Borg 01? It all comes down to addressing the challenges faced by the industrial and manufacturing sectors. Here's what Borg Robotics revealed in a recent tweet. We're starting our journey by focusing on automating the industrial and manufacturing sectors with AI-powered robotics. After speaking with several factories and warehouses, we learned that their biggest challenges are finding enough workers and dealing with high turnover rates, often exceeding 90%. A 90% turnover rate is staggering. Many of these jobs are repetitive, physically demanding, and downright boring, tasks that aren't well suited for humans. Borg 01 is stepping in to fill that gap, taking on the hard, repetitive work so humans can focus on higher-value tasks. By automating repetitive tasks, Borg 01 allows human workers to focus on roles that require creativity, problem-solving, and collaboration. This doesn't just boost productivity, it also creates a better working environment for employees. For example, imagine a factory where robots handle the heavy lifting and monotonous tasks, while humans focus on quality control, innovation, or customer service. It's a perfect blend of human ingenuity and robotic efficiency. What's also impressive is how Borg Robotics is thinking beyond just Borg 01. The company is developing an entire ecosystem of AI-powered industrial robots. This lineup includes autonomous pallet jacks, forklifts, and inventory management robots, all designed to work seamlessly alongside Borg 01. Together, these machines can transform a traditional warehouse into a fully automated, highly efficient operation. And Borg Robotics isn't stopping there. They've hinted at upcoming partnerships and further innovations that will expand more. For example, they're collaborating with manufacturers to tailor their robots to specific industrial needs. This approach ensures their technology isn't just advanced, it's also practical and impactful in real-world settings. Borg Robotics is thinking big. They're not just building robots, they're creating a whole ecosystem to transform industrial automation. Their approach is centered on collaboration with humans. Borg 01 is designed to work alongside human workers, not replace them. By handling the physically demanding tasks, the robot allows humans to focus on roles that require creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving. And Borg Robotics isn't stopping at Borg 01. They're planning to expand their lineup with other autonomous industrial robots, including pallet jacks, forklifts, and inventory management systems. Borg Robotics has a clear vision for the future, and Borg 01 is just the beginning. Here's what they've shared about their plans. Partnerships. Borg Robotics is actively working with factories and warehouses to understand their needs and optimize Borg 01's capabilities. Expanded features. Future updates will include more specialized end effectors for tasks like welding, drilling, and grinding. Additional robots. The company is also developing autonomous pallet jacks, forklifts, and inventory robots to complement Borg 01. Borg Robotics has chosen Detroit, the heart of America's manufacturing legacy, as its base of operations. The buzz around Borg Robotics has been building for months. Back in November, the company teased their upcoming lineup on Twitter, saying, "Our autonomous industrial product lineup reveal is coming soon, designed and engineered for the industrial sector, built in Detroit." That single tweet set the stage for what has now become one of the most talked about announcements in the robotics world. And the full reveal has more than lived up to the hype. This is a deliberate choice. Detroit's rich history in manufacturing and innovation makes it the perfect location for a company like Borg Robotics. By combining traditional industrial expertise with cutting-edge AI, they're bridging the gap between the past and the future of manufacturing. So, what does this all mean for the future of the industrial sector? First, it's a massive leap forward in terms of productivity. Robots like Borg 01 can work faster and more efficiently than humans in certain roles, saving companies both time and money. This increased efficiency isn't just good for business. It also has the potential to lower the cost of goods for consumers. Second, it helps address the labor shortage crisis that many industries are facing. By automating physically demanding and repetitive tasks, Borg 01 frees up human workers to take on more meaningful and engaging roles. This shift not only improves job satisfaction, but also makes the workplace safer by reducing the risk of injuries from repetitive strain or heavy lifting. Finally, there's the environmental impact. Robots like Borg 01 are designed to operate efficiently, consuming less energy than traditional machinery. This focus on sustainability is increasingly important as businesses look for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a greener future. But the real game changer is the potential for collaboration. Borg Robotics isn't just building robots. They're building a system where humans and machines work together harmoniously. This partnership between human creativity and robotic precision could redefine what's possible in the industrial sector. Looking ahead, Borg Robotics has promised to share more updates soon. They've teased additional features for Borg 01, new robots in their lineup, and even a revamped website where fans and customers can stay up to date on their latest innovations. With each new announcement, it's clear that Borg Robotics is just getting started. To wrap things up, let's take a moment to appreciate what Borg Robotics has achieved here. In less than a year, they've gone from a teaser tweet to unveiling one of the most advanced industrial robots on the market. Borg 01 isn't just a robot. It's a glimpse into the future of industry, where AI-powered machines work alongside humans to create safer, more efficient, and more productive workplaces. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think about Borg 01? Are you excited about the future of robotics in the industrial sector? Let's get the conversation going in the comments. Alfie wants to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.